Welcome to the One Exam Prep channel. Today we're going to be talking about Alabama contractor tips and licensing requirements in 2025. To become a general contractor in the state of Alabama in 2025, you need to meet specific requirements set by the Alabama Licensing Board for General Contractors. Here is a structured guide to help you through the process. Number one, let's determine the appropriate type of license. Alabama offers different classifications for general contractors based on the nature and scope of work. Building construction. It allows construction or modification of buildings and structures used for shelter or comfort. You have the building construction under 4 stories, or the BCU4. Those permits construction or modification of buildings up to 3 stories tall. Highways and streets. That covers construction of roads, streets, bridges, and related work. Municipal and utility includes work on sewer projects, water projects, gas projects, and related municipal utilities. Heavy and railroad construction. That encompasses construction of railroads, bridges, foundations, and related heavy construction projects. And special construction. It pertains to specialized trade within construction. So choose the classification that aligns with your intended scope of work. Next, meet eligibility criteria. Ensure you satisfy the following prerequisites: that your age is at least 18 years old, citizenship, that you're a U.S. citizen or legally present with appropriate documentation, and third, financial stability. You demonstrate a minimum net worth and working capital of at least $10,000. If not, the board allows applicants to secure a line of credit to meet this requirement. Next, prepare necessary documentation. Gather the following documents: financial statements, up-to-date financial statements prepared by a certified public accountant or CPA, proof of experience, evidence of at least 3 completed projects for each classification you're applying for, references, 3 references from qualified individuals such as registered architects, registered professional engineers, or licensed general contractors, proof of insurance, general liability insurance, and workers' compensation insurance if you have employees, business registration, proof of business registration with the Alabama Secretary of State, and proof of citizenship, a valid identification confirming U.S. citizenship or legal residency. Next, pass the required examinations. All prime contractors must pass the business and law administered by PSI. Depending on your classification, additional trade-specific exams may be required. Next, submit the application and fees. Complete the application process as follows: the application form. Download and fill out the prime contractor application form from the Alabama Licensing Board for General Contractors website. The fee includes a $300 application fee via cashier's check or money order payable to the Alabama Licensing Board for General Contractors. Submission deadline. Ensure your application is on file at least 30 days prior to a board meeting, which are held quarterly. And then await board approval. After submission, the board will review your application during their quarterly meetings. Upon approval, you will receive your general contractor license, allowing you to legally operate in Alabama. Here are some additional considerations. Reciprocity. Alabama has reciprocity agreements with Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, North Carolina, and Tennessee. If you're licensed in one of these states for at least a year, you may qualify for a reciprocal license in Alabama. License renewal. Licenses must be renewed annually. The renewal month is determined by the first letter of your company name. For instance, companies starting with A renew in December. The renewal fee is $200. By following these steps and ensuring all requirements are met, you can successfully obtain a general contractor license in Alabama in 2025. For more information about how to pass the exam or get any application help or any tutoring on exams in the state of Alabama for any kind of contractor license, inquire with us at www.oneexamprep.com. You can call us at 205-823-4811 or by emailing us at sales@oneexamprep.com. Thanks.